In this video, I will teach you how to make your videos go viral and be successful on YouTube. Many people don't know how to do this, so they struggle with getting views and subscribers. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we will go through 6 steps to help your video go viral on YouTube, including the suitable video topics, thumbnails, and keywords. Hey there, and if you're new, welcome to our channel, where we help you learn to see the income generating opportunities right in front of you. Step number 1. Find an interesting topic for your YouTube video. How often have you started watching a YouTube video only to click away within the first few seconds because the content wasn't relevant to you? Probably quite a lot. The same is true for your potential viewers. If they don't find your content interesting, they won't stick around. That's why it's important to research your audience and determine what kind of content they want to see. If you can give them what they're looking for, you stand a much better chance of going viral. Look at what other successful channels are doing and see if you can identify any patterns. What topics are they covering? What formats are they using? How often are they posting new content? Once you have a good understanding of what's already out there, you can start to brainstorm ideas for your own channel. Think about what kind of videos you want to enjoy watching and look for ways to put your own twist on popular topics. If you want your YouTube video to be widely shared, it must have high production values and be engaging. That's why the most popular videos on YouTube are usually professionally produced or have high production values. The same is true for videos that go viral on other social media platforms. For a video to be widely shared, it must be well crafted and exciting enough to capture people's attention. Help a future business owner just like you find this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to help out. Their success just may be in your hands. Step number 2. Create a catchy YouTube video title. A good title for a YouTube video is important because it's one of the first things people see. If your title is interesting, people are more likely to watch your video. A good title should be short and to the point. It should also be relevant to the content of your video. People should be able to tell what your video is about just by reading the title. If your title is misleading, people may not watch your video or they may not be interested in it. A good title can distinguish between a successful video and one that no one watches. It can be challenging to figure out which title is best. You can easily outsource the task to someone on Upwork or Fiverr, but vidIQ is best, in our opinion. vidIQ is a YouTube optimization tool that gives you insight into how to optimize your videos for YouTube. vidIQ will generate titles for you based on the keywords you input. You can then use these titles to get an idea of what might work well for your video. For example, if your video is about cats, you might input the keyword cats into vidIQ, which will generate a list of titles for you to choose from. Step number 3. Create a stellar YouTube video thumbnail image. A well-designed thumbnail can be the difference between someone clicking on your video and scrolling right past it. That's why it's important to use powerful thumbnails that accurately represent the content of your video. If your thumbnail is misleading or doesn't properly capture the viewer's attention, they're likely to move on to something else. Therefore, your thumbnail should be high quality and accurately represent your video's content. Avoid using generic images or stock photos. Instead, try to use images that are specific to your video. If you're not sure how to design a thumbnail, you can easily hire someone on Fiverr or Upwork to do it for you. Just make sure to give them a clear idea of what you want your thumbnail to look like. Step number 4. Make sure your video content is compelling. YouTube videos must be compelling and engaging because that is what keeps viewers watching. Viewers will quickly move on to something else if a video is not attractive. Therefore, your YouTube video must be well organized and entertaining to keep people engaged. An excellent way to keep people interested is to have a strong opening that hooks the viewer and keeps them engaged throughout the video. Additionally, videos should be concise and to the point. Viewers have a short attention span and are likely to lose interest if a video rambles on for too long. Finally, it is important to include visuals in YouTube videos, as they help to break up the monotony of spoken word and keep viewers engaged. Step number 5. Make sure your YouTube video is SEO friendly. One of the most important things you can do to make your YouTube video successful is to optimize it for SEO. This means including relevant keywords in your title, descriptions, and tags. Doing this will help your video appear in more search results, leading to more views. There are also a few different ways to optimize your YouTube video for SEO. Again, you can outsource this task to someone on Fiverr or Upwork, but it is relatively simple to do on your own. First, you will need to create an account with vidIQ. We recommend selecting the basic package so that you can see relevant keywords you can use for your channel tags. Next, you can decide which keywords you would like to target. Choose keywords relevant to your video content and have a high search volume. You can use vidIQ's keyword research tool to help you find the right keywords or research competitors on YouTube to see which tags are used in their viral videos. Finally, you will want to create an account with Jasper.ai so you can create an optimized description for your video. Jasper will help you create a description that is both keyword rich and interesting to read. Step number 6. Promote YouTube videos on other social media sites. If you want more people to watch your YouTube videos, then promoting them on other social media platforms is a great way to increase the number of views. By sharing your videos on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, you'll be able to reach a larger audience and get more people to watch your videos. Additionally, promoting your videos on social media will help build up hype and interest around your content, leading to even more views. It's simple math. More people seeing your videos equals more views, which usually means more ad revenue. We recommend using Matt Parr's Tube Mastering Monetization to learn the best ways to make your YouTube videos successful. Matt Parr is a well-known YouTuber and internet marketer who provides helpful tips and advice on how to make money from YouTube. His course will teach you everything you need to know about making successful YouTube videos, from choosing the right keywords to promoting your videos on other social media platforms. Make sure you've hit the subscribe button and turn the notifications on so you don't miss out on how to make money as a stay-at-home mom.